Father of English drama is William Shakespeare. Father of novels is Henry Fielding. Difference between novel and drama. Novel belongs to prose, but it is only for reading, while drama is for playing. Drama is a form of literature. It can be written in poetry form or prose, and it's performing art. Drama is made of plot, characters, thought, diction, means word, spectacle, seeing effect, and song. Drama is characterized by tragedy, tragicomedy, problem play, one act play, force. Difference between drama and novel. Drama is complete. Drama entertains the public. Limited length. A novel is a long narrative tale, complete in itself. The readers enjoy novel in private. Unlimited length. Novel is a long narrative in prose detailing the actions of fictitious people. Crawford, American novelist, described novel as a pocket theatre. Novel has plot, character, thought, and dialogue. All these are important elements of novel. And on stage, only stage presentation is absent. Drama is a form of literature that has plot, characters, dialogue, and action, and is meant to be performed on the stage. It is one of the oldest literary forms along with poetry, although no one knows exactly how drama originated. There is evidence of its existence in almost every civilization. Western drama originated in ancient Greece. Invariably, the earliest forms of drama have a deep connection with religious ceremonies. Greek drama had its origin in the festivals held in honor of Dionysus. In ancient Rome too, drama formed a part of religious ceremonies. English drama too had its origin in the church. Drama Drama differs from other literary forms in that it depends on the stage for its true existence. Therefore, the dramatist's art has always been shaped by the theatrical conditions of his times. As a result, the study of drama is interwoven with the study of theatre. Traditionally, drama has been broadly classified under two main headings, tragedy and comedy. From the beginning of the modern age, various forms and subtypes of drama that transcended these two categories came into existence. However, these two broad categories still influence the way we study and attempt to classify drama.